You know what? I saw my friend.
Where?
At the school. It's with someone else.
Oh, that's so sad.
OMG, is that an earthquake?
OMG! Kala ko walang nakaramdam. Let's go for a room.
Now that the earthquake has stopped, let's go to the home report. Let's go!
Okay, let's have a head count first. May mga nasugatan ba sa inyo? None!
What is an earthquake? An earthquake is the shaking of the surface of the earth, resulting from the sudden release of energy in the earth's lithosphere that creates seismic waves. Earthquakes can range in size from those that are so weak that they cannot be felt to those violent enough to toss people around and destroy whole cities.
The energy from an earthquake travels through Earth in vibration called seismic waves. Scientists can measure these seismic waves on an instrument called seismometer. A seismometer detects seismic waves below the instrument and records them as a series of zigzags. What to do before an earthquake? First is make sure you have a fire extinguisher, first aid kit, a battery-powered radio, a flashlight, and extra batteries at home. Next, learn first aid. Third is learn how to turn off the gas, water, and electricity. Last, learn the earthquake plan at your school or workplace.
What to do during an earthquake? If you're indoors, stay inside. If you're outdoors, stay outside. Don't use matches, candles, or any flame. If you're in a car, stay inside the car and wait until the earthquake stops. Don't use elevator. And lastly, to the dock, cover and hold.
What to do after an earthquake? Check yourself and others for injuries. Provide first aid for anyone who needs it. Turn on the radio. Don't use the phone unless it's an emergency. Stay out of damaged buildings. Expect aftershocks.